Right, what's up guys? Dave here with Deranged Off-Road, hiding out in the basement bunker today because, well, it's 100 degrees outside and I don't want to be out there. So today we are going to go over a product that was sent to us free of charge. We don't do a lot of this kind of stuff, but Monimoto GPS tracker for motorcycles, side-by-sides, that kind of stuff. We've actually been thinking about getting something similar for the side-by-sides recently. We never have pulled the trigger on it. Then this company hit us up and we thought, sure, why not? Let's try it out, see what it's all about, and we'll let you guys know. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. All right, I have already opened this up. I've set it up. I've been checking it out for a little while. So what we have, the box. Here's the actual GPS device right here. As you can see, it's not the smallest thing around. I don't know, I've never had any other GPS trackers, but shouldn't be too difficult to find a place to hide this on the side-by-side. So there's the GPS tracker. And in here we also have the key fob. This is what you would keep on your keychain or whatever. Pairs with this, and together, when they're close enough in a very close range, it disarms the GPS tracker because it says everything's okay. You know, it's not separated and this isn't moving. So basically, have this on your keys. Keys are in the house. If this thing starts moving going down the road, you get an alert. So there's those two things there. And this is just some zip ties. And in here you have the directions. So it's pretty basic. I've set it up. You basically put in the battery, or actually you pull a little tab out, connects the battery, and then you set it up on your phone through their app, which is quite simple to use. Let's check it out here. Monimoto home. I'd have to turn it this way for you guys to see. Lets you know if the battery's okay. It's ready right now. It's actually monitoring. You can go into events, and basically every day it sends you a notification letting you know that it is armed and ready to go. And then you can see some of my testing I've done here where it sends you an alarm, that type of stuff. We're actually gonna go, we'll put this in the car, we'll leave this home, and we'll go take a drive, and we'll see how long it takes to get a notification from Monimoto. Essentially, you start moving with this, and you actually get a phone call and a text message alerting you that things are moving. So let's go do that. So I thought about this the other day. It hadn't even crossed my mind until honestly this morning. Like, what if you leave your keys in the side-by-side, making this like disarmed basically, and it all gets stolen, right? What if you're an idiot and you know, gets ripped off? Well, there is actually a setting in here. I'll get back in the app here again. Go there, let's see, send diagnostics. Okay, so if this gets stolen, you go back into the menu basically, and there is a start active track. Right there it says, if stolen together with key fob. You hit that start active tracking, it'll say retrieving location of device, usually takes between 5 minutes and 24 hours. And then depending on what kind of settings you have, how often you get notifications, it could take even longer. Mine's set to every 24 hours. So you click OK, and then it's going to actually start tracking the GPS. So never fear, if both get stolen together, you can actually still track your stuff. So that was one thing that set my mind at ease, because I have been known to leave my keys in my vehicles when I shouldn't. So good to know, right? Okay, we just left. It's 8:35. See how long it takes to get a notification. All right, within a minute, in like a block of my house, I get a notification. Answer it. Oh, it says it's alarm, and then it hangs up. And you get another notification there. Alarm. Down here, events. It says Monimoto is determining GPS location. And that usually takes a minute or two. Okay, within another minute, it tells me that GPS coordinates are available. And there it is. Live tracking. Shows where your vehicle is going. And then you can go call the cops, bust them, right? Take justice into your own hands if you want. So a couple minutes later, I get a notification that we're moving. So this thing will just continue to send notifications as long as the car is moving every few minutes. You just have to be careful, I think, because I don't know how long these batteries are going to last when it's doing active tracking and that kind of stuff. So hopefully long enough to find the vehicle you need to find. Alright guys, so there you have it. Took it out on a little trip. It works. It notified me when the car moved and separated from the key fob. A couple things that I have concerns about is it just takes 2 AA batteries. I don't know how long those are going to last. I'd like to see a hardwired version that you can actually wire into your 12-volt system on your car or your side-by-side or your motorcycle, whatever you're going to use it on. And then the app, you know, you work it on a cell phone app. If you're up in the mountains and you have no cell phone service, somebody steals your machine, you gotta drive down the mountain, you gotta go to where there is service, which you probably do anyways. So, and I haven't tested it in those conditions up in the mountains, anything like that, so I'm sure it works. I don't know. Overall, seems like a good buy. I'll put a link down in the description. I think they actually dropped the price on them, and I have a coupon code that I'll put in there. Check it out, guys. See if it's something you'd want. We're gonna keep this probably in the Pro XP for now, and just to provide an extra layer of security for us. So, all right, you have a good one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.